All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Now the late night show with Obi Martins and the wishes. Sorry. I'll say no reason and wishes with Obi Martins, Skimpy, and Ugochi baby. I tell you, I say today na groovy day, but this my ladies they won't spoil my day. And Skimpy, our viewers, I bet when I meet Twitter Skimpy, when I meet one of waiting and never taste, waiting and never even sample. Skimpy one car and go club for what? For what? At the age of 48, Skimpy say they go club. Why? Why? Anyways, make it no blast. I talk too much. Follow us for Twitter at W Late Night Show, for Facebook at Wazobia TV NG, and for Instagram Wazobia TV NG. Go there, drop your comment, drop the warning, drop everything where it is. Yes, it is possible to give us advice, to even warn Skimpy. Drop and there. And don't forget, say, before we go on our commercial break, we tell them and say we get one Ogbonge guest. This is our Ogbonge guest, a veteran. This person, when he start music, safe. I see this small, but at least I know. At least don't say I know when it starts, but at least I this small when and look at it. No, we could celebrate her today. They pay me. Say today we want to celebrate our relative. So let's keep it carry this news can give me. But nothing will happen. Foul picking where you no carry when it's small. You no pick am again. Now me be Obi Martins, the head of the house. I am not the tail of the house. Make una use I help me welcome the one and only Alariwo of Africa. Woo!
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Agreed.
Where is the welcome? What's happened? You won't make Alariwo confused.
I get
but I know him, he cannot be confused.
Full respect.
No. Alariwo cannot be confused with what he's saying.
Make I confess. Confusion worry me small.
Daddy.
You know, say, leave daddy.
Which one be daddy?
Leave daddy thing. You say that side you want make I sit down, Obi, but as you say make I sit down here now.
Alariwo. You know say if we call you.
So stand up here go hard though.
You know say if we call you Alariwo, you guys we don't get respect. But like the name be that.
No, but that the name.
But if you put a brother Alariwo, you know sweet. Uncle Alariwo, you know sweet. But me, I want to make you advise them before. And this DJ, that's my problem. But now we go say they confused now. I don't know where your advice won't come from.
In fact, I don't get confused. I'm confused.
Don't be confused, because you are the only person that can help me here. I don't know now one I did with before. I said I go visit somebody.
Another one join.
Then they give me say, okay, take cola nuts.
Buy matter.
Take cola nuts. As I carry come out, Skimpy, change your mind. How can if Skimpy won't go club, make Skimpy go club? But he say what can I go club?
But if you look these two people, who won't change person mind among the two of them?
God will vindicate me. You see? I mean, don't tell and say, I mean, they carry Skimpy go club. You know, yeah, what do you mean, Seth? So I'm not rich to carry Skimpy go club.
My problem is whether
because
you carry.
I don't invite you,
No,
they pay me.
whether you carry Skimpy go club or you don't carry go club. I don't want me to go club. I don't want me to go.
Okay, now we understand the message.
I never test that.
Okay, because you never do sound check.
Now I
No! Oh, Papa, I'm talking from experience.
You never do sound check. Never do sound check, so you don't want to make anybody come go block the road.
Because all these boys, I don't say you say if you go that club.
No. I think if they go, and they go.
But seriously, get small faith.
Which faith?
Me and she where they go, I know say she no plan do anything funny. I believe her.
Exactly.
I trust her. No, they open eye like that, but now the cocoa I just stop.
I don't even know where the eye open.
Okay, but seriously, I know say na like this, you say they don't top the late night show because of say waiting. He go na bottle, chocolate na trouser. But if you dey find jollificate, you no go see am any other place except you go body with us on top Wazobia late night show.
So.
Thank you. Now the levels with that one because we don't talk plenty, but at least they say first of all na introduction or let me dey talk. So now make I just give you the opportunity, may you just greet people with their house.
Okay, my people, I greet you now. My name is Obi Martins, and they call me Alariwo of Africa. We still there. God still they keep us. We hail you now. Make sure they watch this program. Talk about here go hard though. I don't talk my own.
No. The one, you be I be your namesake. I don't say my namesake.
Yes.
Why you look me like that?
Obi.
I go finger your eye. I go finger your eye. Don't look at me.
It be like say I get solution to this thing. If she don't agree, when I just go do affidavit, do court marriage.
You know, I'll carry person, I'll marry person illegal.
Okay.
I be your namesake. Now you won't go to the club again.
No, I just want to go help. Make I help you monitor.
But seriously, because before we give Obi high blood pressure for here, maybe just entirely leave this topic. Maybe enter the cocoa of the day. Okay. We cannot say that one will give and joy past this particular one now where we talk about. So now,
wait. Welcome, give bros, and I'll make you like chop down before they bring the
your
juice
plenty
home.
talk, now they make
No. If you stand up now, bros will be confused. Let me do it. No. Because if you want to get like this, bros, take. No. Bros, let me welcome you.
But you don't say for you say
no, bros.
You be my brother. As you they welcome me. I dare your house. Not be your consignment supposed
no, they do our job. They do your job as head of family.
Nigeria will be say if you go visit them, they'll give you their wife. Make you take.
Now so that they give me bonanza.
So now they give you. You no one give a
for
house
what?
to another person.
I go meet Aboki, I buy suya. Aboki say no, give me taste. But this suya I will taste them. You don't say Aboki, we go buy suya. I don't give you taste before. I will taste you. You are property. Skippy.
Okay.
End this show, quick.
Okay.
I like the one I'm here today. You want to go to the club?
Okay, so bros just feel at home with us. Now, so we take the moment ourselves on top the show. So now the level be that one. Now they talk about cocoa of the day. That one are things where they happen inside Nigeria. Where we say people, you know, say most people in the morning they don't go work. Some people don't even feel read newspaper. They don't feel go online to check waiting they sub. So now make them evening at all before we move to another level with the torchlight some certain things. And now we hear say. Presently, they don't catch one police officer where they break the law.
Two.
Yes, in they break the law. Okay, no be one, two of them. Okay, where they break the law. Now you go wonder say these people inside Nigeria, then suppose they make sure say everybody do waiting there according to the law. But the big question will suppose they your mind now, and I be say which law them break. Now I don't want to take my mouth tell you the law. I will take picture tell you the law. So make I leave Mr. Director, make him bring up that picture, make you see
the law where they break. Police is your friend.
Yes. Now waiting them do be that one. Then go pour their Gary water. Then go pour for opposite TBS, Tafa Balewa Square. And now waiting will come your mind now be say these people they do their private business publicly. Now police is your friend. Who be that guy or that lady wey waka pass snap them this picture? Waiting concern the person.
Well, the person will take picture. Now two ways me I go see her.
Okay.
I go see her one based on say she not too like police because they always collect a gunje. Then two, if another person they piece for there, police go hold the person. Now two ways. So that he make and take the picture. That the way me see her more.
Yeah, but bro, say police they arrest person where they piece anyway.
They know they arrest.
Even where police pack to say a person they go there go peace. So
they know they arrest, but once they see opportunity, Nigeria police, any little opportunity they go capitalize.
Bros.
Now who won't hold these people now?
This one now where you even say they know they arrest. You don't forget OPJ. OPJ, I bet no verse I won't talk this.
No. OPJ is different. No. You know why it's different? Ingo peace for that Lekki Road. That one, say that Lekki Road have some people private property. And some people they manage them. So we will not go into that details because
yes, because I just want before because road.
That one, road. That's why that road. If you go there, say you want snap picture, then go.
I know the road where they talk because I remember when they beg. There was a time when they beg money for one of our brother we don't die, Steve Kadri.
Okay.
When they get kidney problems, so they beg money for every street. I come island, I go that. I did that road, make I beg money. They say I'm not fit. Say private. I can't tell. They say well, I go beg money here. If no one arrest me. We could arrest me.
Bros, you beg money.
I must beg this money.
You go beg money for Steve Kadri.
Yes, I raised 2.7 million naira on the street for Steve Kadri.
How many days?
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
But unfortunately,
no, that time when we do him the first time, he not die. Now the second time they thing do relapse. Now he make the thing happen. The first time, all of us, everybody they donate money. Me, I don't get money to donate. Now I can't sit down with my younger brother and say, how I go do this? And I can't call them and say, you know what? At least God don't give us name. Yes, and they go street, go beg.
And people go see you.
Yes. So as I start them, then them Two-Face do for first tag, Shoki do for Jegunle. So everybody. So, but when I started it, nobody feels that the thing go work.
Bros, you know what's going to happen? This matter you go talk again because we get one segment where they call People's Parliament.
Yes. Maybe
because we really want to find out so many things. How far and how near. More revisit them. But still on this police where they break the law matter. What thing I go say and say, I don't know how I want to talk but anyhow it be, I must talk You see, I don't know if that's the way the country be. No, there's some places where say we're not supposed to peace. Or almost say they're supposed to get public toilets for some strategic places. You know, but for police, We wear uniform. Our national stuff. We wear uniform. They go down. Even peace and small thing. You never see police say that they wear uniform, they wear canvas.
You never see police wear uniform, carry gun, that they fight.
They fight themselves.
That they fight physically because of change.
Okay,
And
but
the cover be that
seriously,
because if na ordinary person, we see where they peace for road. If you no make issue, but now because na police.
okay,
Yes.
now the point be down, but may not be like say nobody support them on top this set small. Make I just give them my support. You know, say some kind peace they will go owe you.
Hold you.
You know go get choice. Some kind peace, even if you dey travel self, you know some kind every shit where be say you know say no way I go feed you. If you be saying now waiting happen to them, we know everybody.
No matter how it happen.
But wait, how it be say peace worry the two of them at the same time?
Time.
Peace fit catch me now, make peace
No,
catch you.
But you know, don't say, God bless you. Peace na friendship thing, you know. Okay, wait. Make I give you an example. You know, say, if I yawn now, all of them go yawn.
Thank you.
Not true. If we get good heart, oh. If
Not, whether you get good heart or not, once I yawn now, everybody go.
They catch.
It's a natural thing.
Occurrence, okay,
You understand? It could just occur like that. You know? This is what will happen. We say that they gist, they gossip, they gist.
Take all the
My brother, I beg, now there's a jare, I beg, you just go put. As they the thing just chemistry.
Connect.
So they must piece the thing throw away.
Okay.
But for me, if I go toilet say I want peace, and person stand near me, I know they feel peace. So.
Not true. Me too. They happen to.
And they like
Wait,
when the person come up.
why did it not go happen to you?
Because I tell you, say, now you fight trouble, Obi Martins.
Peace
Peace
na
na
chemistry.
chemistry.
Peace na chemistry.
See,
Toilet
not be
matter
chemistry
for
like
toilet
this.
now.
Na
You want a toilet
chemistry.
now.
Wait.
You want follow
Sampling can happen in the toilet. So wait till you dey talk.
everybody. If you not see my bonanza again, now Alariwo won't carry my bonanza. Oh, well, more not dwell too much on this matter. I'm going to talk about it again. Skip, you know, say happen to say, oh, Skip, that you cause this matter. And you're not even useful to me.
Obi, what you say make I do
Wetin-
now?
wetin
I know
you
that.
do?
You understand? What
You
you
know,
say make me do?
no, but one day, nobody even support me. Say, okay, making call advise it. You know, you see, you're not even useful to federal government, local government, even state government. You're not even useful. But I know what I will do to you.
You remove me from your nest of kings. What you say make I do?
Don't
No,
worry.
the point now be
You can't carry two women, can't take guard body.
No problem. Skip, he come, he hug you as he enter. That hug, I go hug you. You know, he say, one follow, allow go enter toilet, go peace, make peace, no catch you.
No, you not talk say one be. I said the peace na chemistry.
Figure of speech.
Peace.
Okay.
Okay. May we just leave this and enter the next level on the cocoa of the day. And this one, another one will be say if you reason and self, it gets as a B. Because this one about 125-year-old bobo for inside Ekiti State. They say just enter house, go meet one 85-year-old old mama, go knock am.
If you look your screen, I go see the boy. You just see the old mama. The old mama black. You just black. My bonanza here for your eye.
Wait oh.
Now really wait.
I hear the story, but me I think say na lie oh.
Na confirmento, as in confirm.
Okay. My view. It is either the thing is spiritual
Okay.
or it gets jazz undertone.
Baba, expatiate.
Good. Spiritual in the sense that if you sample Momsi, maybe something will come out for you. As in, it's either not for ritual or money go come or anything. Because it no fit be ordinary eye. Make 25-year-old guy, we fine. We see babes everywhere. Babes, we make sense.
No.
Then you end
No,
up...
wait. Oh, order of improper address.
Wait.
No, they touch my...
that's
Seriously, Alaiwo, why you no give this our husband BP to their
No,
bed?
and they analyze
Don't just
something.
temper justice with mercy.
No, what am I doing now?
Right,
Una
erase your
ask
hand.
me
Erase your hand
question.
for your body.
How?
So clean your hand, come out.
You don't see where brother come
Not
meet
clean.
sister. Sister erase body.
Brother and sister.
Possible.
Okay, Alani, when you talk to go,
Okay.
I'll get back to you.
Good. So it is not possible. My understanding be say maybe na somebody tell us say go do this woman, then money go come out
Okay.
from this thing where you go do. If you want make money, or there must be a specific reason why in go do the woman. But the question be say when in the sample Momsi talk, Momsi vex, Momsi shout,
Come see the moon.
or Momsi they groan and moan.
Because that one again,
I feel like
that one
you're
again
somebody
is another angle. Some people even talk because when I read them online, some people talk say the woman self suppose happy. say since how many years ago, who help her do anything? Now she can't see person help her oil the place. Make the place shine again.
No, but it's surprising. Even if the woman is supposed to happy, you see, it has to be it's something where two of them don't agree to do before the woman it goes sweet up. But old woman sit down. The place where don't conge for since how many?
Wake up well.
You understand?
And but on late night show be this. And the late night show, any small picky when they watch this show, this guy be winch. Go and sleep.
Something we don't block.
We don't block. Wake up well all day.
Like toll gate, we don't rust.
We don't rust.
Then you can't say you won't go sample. You be stereo man.
But seriously, you know what I think again? I think one thing now and waiting and reason I be this. It no mean as it no necessarily make them get mutual agreement. The things if you know they mom see mine, but the guy can't knock on top her. She feel say, oh, I don't miss this thing since how many years ago. She go just adapt to run like that.
Wait.
I didn't even get finished. Next week
what did they miss? When we say wait, if young babes no grief for them, club girls they there.
No, in the sense that the mom see they say miss.
Okay, now the mom.
And I will say next week. I should say next week. You might say make police mind their business. Say make people mind their business. Say
you know when it happen to she no complain.
Like Baba talk, I feel say the thing gets spiritual implications.
It gets.
And then we advise people that they do a show. You understand? Easy bit.
It gets. The thing gets.
They lick tongue. What's it they lick tongue for?
No,
I just tired for you.
You know, like Baba talk, say club, girls full everywhere. That boy is supposed look for club.
Yeah.
The boy is supposed to come ask Easy Bit, say, what's be that street name for VI? Where they go pick all those girls? Tell us more than the boys.
I don't know what you talk about.
Baba, why do that street again where they go pick all those girls? Baba?
Which street with that? Because me, to pick girls, they had me.
No, that way they go pick now for a Ikeja.
No, and they go pick, if I want to go pick girls, I they go pick girls, either may they come my program or may they come my video. Or may they come my video shoot.
Baba, forget it.
Or they come the show when they perform.
All right, Baba don't support, Baba Easy Beats, and I know where they go pick their girls because Baba they say go pick girls, you know. All right, now the late night show, we sit there on top of for channel 195 Star Times, and me myself, Obi Martins, and Skimpy, and Ugochi, my bonanza. Now we did this show, and our guest, Alariwo of Africa. He's there with us. We don't hear the first segment. Easy Beat, who I don't come out as my next of king, he's there with us. Don't forget, say, for the boy where Torchlight, we sleep with grandmama. If you want contribute for discussion, make it tweet at us at W Late Night Show or face us for Facebook at Wazobia TV NG or Instagram, Wazobia TV NG. And the two policemen, when they break the law, they carry law, they do it in, they break her. What do you feel? And why if you say it in the news? May do it again. Follow us for Twitter and drop your comment at W Late Night Show or face your book with us, Wazobia TV NG. Or go Instagram, move the gram together, Wazobia TV NG. For this point, we'll bash musically break. And we've got the break, we'll come back. I'll be skipping.
Yes.